Okay, just a quick introduction to Sugar again. You should have gotten your emails. I have it all up and working and updated. So you're going to log in with the username that I gave you. I'm using Joe Dirts. And here's my new account information for Joe Dirt. Right. I have to change my password on first login. And it's going to make me set my account up. First name Joe, last name Dirt. Office phone. And mobility. And we're going to select US. Wherever it's at. It's fine. We're at -5. Next. And this is kind of important here, so you're going to put your, this will kind of be probably pre-filled out, but for right now, all the email addresses at techforceonsite.net, Dave, Robbie, John Sr., and Tracy, the passwords are all Junior80, JUNIOR80. You can't change those later, but you'll need to use Junior80 for now just to set this up. Bam, I'm in. Now these are modular, so you can close all these if you want to. That. My primary objective is going to be to go into accounts and claim these. So on my home screen, I might want to have a dashlet for open. How about open opportunities? Don't have any right now, but you can have charts if you want to, or other things, websites. You know, basically anything you want to put right here on the dashlet, you can do that. The other thing I wanted to show you was the email portion, because I think you guys are probably just going to start using this after we get off of GoDaddy. So I'll show that to you real quick. So you're going to go to all on the right, and then you're going to go to emails. Okay. You actually have to set this up the first time you use it, so click on settings. And then mail accounts up top here. And then you're going to add a mail account. And the account name is going to be can be whatever. Your username is first initial last name and then at techforceonsite.net. Password, like I said before, is Junior80. Mail server address is mail, M-A-I-L, dot supreme, S-U-P-R-E-M-E, cluster, C-L-U-S-T-E-R.com. Keep the protocol the same, keep that, trash, and you can synchronize these all later if you want to. But we're just going to do it this way. You can click test if you want to. It says it completed successfully. You don't have to mess with any of this, and then click done. Okay. Right. And you can actually go in here now. Bam, you'll see your email. See, it matches here. Here. Okay. If I want to test this, just to show you. Refresh. Oh, there's my new email. And if I go in here, Probably not. I don't know how to refresh it. Refresh. Check mail. Click check mail. There's a button right there. And then of course you can see the test message came right through. Really cool right here. Let's say a customer emailed you back information about a lead. You could go to quick create and you could say lead. And you can fill out the lead information as such. Mr. Person, last name. Fill out their phone number if you want to. You're going to need their phone number, email address, the description of the opportunity. Status of the opportunity would be new. Lead is email. Description. You can just go down through here and fill all this stuff out if you want to. If you couldn't do it, you could assign it to someone else in the company. Say David can do it. And then save. Now, Dave will see that as an opportunity in his dashboard. Now, I could also say I want to create a task. And this can be a calendar task, due date. It'll send you a reminder. There's just all sorts of things you can do here. You can view, you can reply to emails, say hi back, send it, and then when I check my email, there it is. So, as you can see, this new version of Sugar is quite handy. So, definitely would recommend that. You can see the sent items didn't merge here. So you can actually go back in here and you can edit this, I do believe, and you can select the different boxes. You know what? I don't think there's anything in my trash or my sent, so might not properly synchronize those. Did on my other account. I don't know why it's not in here. I mean, the inbox is the most important thing, but I'll work on making sure all the rest of that stuff merges too. Oh, and also, yeah, it keeps the email open if you don't close it here. So, like, if I have this open, it creates a tab. If I create this open, it creates a tab, and you kind of have to close those. I'm not really sure why it's not adding all of the folders. It should add them all. There we go. I had to do a control and add them all. So, nothing there. Sent items. There's my Joe Dirt email. And if I go here and I delete this, and I delete this, went to my trash, see it in my trash, and then go back to here, check mail, and there it is in my trash. See, so it's all synchronized and stuff, and it's pretty nice. So, and of course you can create new folders if you want to. Create folder, whatever. It's all right there for you to do. So, one thing I don't know if you can, let's see if we can manage folders and add a folder called test. And we'll just make it a top level. Alright, Alright, folder created successfully. Back to mail. New folders test. Let's move this one in there. We get that in there in the test folder now. We want to synchronize that one. Alright. Just do a comma test. Added it right there. Done. Technically, we should be able to click on this. We won't see any new emails, so let's check mail. Inbox, draft, test. Alright, so I have to work on that part, but you get the drift. You can send emails from here. The other good thing about this is if you're in here working on your accounts and you come across a person that has an email address, you can just click it. It brings up this nice little window right here within the program. So it's all self-contained. So start poking around with it, start messing with it, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a good night.